Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldman Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 BMW X1 xDrive 28i. This one's gray. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 228 horsepower. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our X1 badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside here, this one does come with a keyless entry, a nice gloss black trim, ambient lighting, power windows, power seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, our media display, got a rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, dual climate controls, heated seats, cup holders, automatic transmission, some more hard keys for our media display, sports and eco suspension. This X1 has 15,973 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this X1, check out feldmanimports.com.